Hello everyone, this is Chinmay Kuripella from Indian Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli. I would like to discuss on the impact of coronavirus, most popularly known as COVID-19 outbreak, on the travel and tourism industry in India. This is a topic that we can't and must not ignore. Travel and tourism industry in India has been a significant contributor to the GDP of the country. This sector has seen to generate a lot of employment as well. So when by the mid-March, the popular tourism attractions in India started to shut down and the news on putting a halt on flying began to make rounds, we all started to predict the grim that the future is having on the travel industry in the country already. In fact, the shutting down of the iconic Taj Mahal on March 17, 2020, which attracts millions of visitors every year, was a sign enough to assess how hard the blow of the pandemic was. Through this video, I would like to discuss and understand the importance of tourism sector in India's economy, the present and the future impacts of the pandemic and the proposed measures and the recovery plans. First, let us discuss the role of travel and tourism industry in India. In 2018, the travel and tourism industry contributed to around 9.2% of the country's GDP, which generated around 26.7 million jobs in one year. This industry not only employs workers in cities but also provides an earning base for the rural population. The tourism sector also accounts for around 12.75% of employment in India, and 5.56 of it is direct and 7.19% is indirect. Over 87 million people were employed in the travel sector alone in 2018 to 2019 in India. According to the Ministry of Tourism and annual report, it was reported in that figure. It is also estimated that in India, branded and organized hotels' annual revenue is around 38,000 crores, which is about 5 billion US dollars. The restaurant industry in India has an annual turnover of approximately 4 lakh crores, which is 53 billion USD. This industry provides direct employment to more than 7 million people. The India's air transport industry employs around 4 lakh people directly and 9 lakh 40,000 are employed in related supply chains. Coming to the effects of coronavirus, that is COVID-19 on the travel and tourism industry in India. On account of this coronavirus, the Indian tourism and hospitality industry is expecting a potential job loss of around 38 million. In the third week of March 2020 itself, the hotel sector saw a decline of more than 65% of the occupancy rate as compared to the same period in the previous year of 2019. With both the international and domestic travel on halt, demand for turbine fuel has also fallen down drastically. The Indian Association of Tourism Operators (IATO) estimates the hotel, aviation, and travel sector together may suffer a loss of around 85 billion, keeping in mind the travel restrictions which are imposed both on the foreign tourists and the Indian local traveling. Impact of COVID-19 would be felt not has been felt not just on the white collar but also the blue collar jobs. India's outbound and the inbound travel has witnessed all-time low figures. The restaurant industry in India is also expecting almost zero revenue, and it has been observed in that way, especially in the intermediate term, and a drop of 50% was also seen in the later months during the recovery phase as well. At least it is observed that 30% of the hotel and hospitality industry revenue has been impacted in that situation, and it is said that it would be getting back to its normalcy. There is a threat of job loss of nearly 15% in the hotel and also in the restaurant industry once the lockdown has been lifted. Also, the aviation industry is estimated to incur losses around 3.5 billion in the first quarter itself. The passenger growth of airlines is likely to fall sharply, and it has been observed that it is around 20 to 25% growth of 2020 to 2021. Some of the major things to know is that the tourism sector is directly facing some trouble before the rise of COVID-19 pandemic due to the impact of global economic crisis. Economic growth in the world accelerated, resulting in weaker growth in the foreign tourist arrivals and all. And with more than 60% of the organized hotels in India shutting down, recovery is expected to be very slow. Also, coming to the various recovery plans, experts have emphasized on the need to focus on the potential for the domestic tourism and try to gain some profit through it. ICC suggests setting up of travel and tourism stabilization fund with direct benefit transfer to each unit to prevent the financial and the job loss. The experts also recommended to have the cost optimization at all operational levels. And any dry powder that is available in the market should be utilized more on buying operating assets rather than building new ones. It is also being recommended to cautiously utilize the FF and the FFE funds operators would need to support the hotel owners. So this is one of the major industry that has been affected directly by the COVID-19 and indirectly affecting many other industries as well. Thank you.